To Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We're going to take you on a walking tour, give you walking directions from the entrance to Busch Gardens to one of the oldest rides in the park, La Scoot, the water ride, the flume ride. Here, opened in May of 1975 when the park opened. I believe that is correct. Check your facts on that. But here we go. You get to this main part where you can go right, straight, or left. You're going to veer to the right. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, follow our lead. Got 5.3K, summer 2025, Busch Gardens Williamsburg, La Scoot. Walking directions. Past the Screaming Swing Finnegan's Flyer in the Ireland section of the park. We also got a POV of that, so you can check out that swing ride. So pass it on your left and keep going. To the Ireland part of the park, go down the hill, up the hill, keep straight here, past the Wolf Haven on the right. Up on in the France section of the park. We're going to pass through the France section of the park. Keep it going. To the snack station here and Griffin Gifts, veer to the left, pass Griffin on your left. Back of the park, and we're almost there. It shares the same entrance as Invader. You just kind of go to the left a little bit here, and we're gonna go down this hill, and we're gonna get to La Scoot. There it is. Right there, as we see. Speed it up a little bit, give you this flume ride POV 5K. Flume ride, basically like a raft. Down. And on ride. Off-ride. Check it out. Here we go, we're on there. Giving you an on-ride POV. Oh, this is probably one of the most relaxing rides here. It is old, and you will possibly get wet. Over Invader. Oh, under Invader? Yeah, we were under.
Now we're over. Now we're over Invader. This is actually pretty high for the log ride.
Yes. It is pretty good log ride here. Flume ride is the name.
Now even on Orpheum fast train, 12-inch back pot. So the next time you
rattled you up.
slow down and bottom of the hill.
This is my favorite.
ride the dark coaster? Scary. So that's it. That's your POV of La Scoot. The flume ride. 1975. Right here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. 5K with walking directions. Yeah, please like and subscribe to my channel. See all those walking directions. I'm gonna clean my camera. That is our little flume ride.